afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what part of the road you're in, what time you watch this. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another unboxing. Today's double unboxing is a Victorinox, a Maverick, and a Breitling. This is one of their discontinued lines, the Aviator. Quick wristwatch check, just got off work for the night, so I am indeed wearing the Hamilton khaki. Still love that piece, we're so late, guys. And they sent in, of course, this says includes paid promotion, guys, because they sent in a couple knives here that they had offered for sale on their website. They do also sell Victorinox Swiss Army knives. Now, they did let me keep this one, so just full disclosure, guys. As you know, I like to be transparent in that. They didn't pay me anything for the review, but they did let me keep this knife, excuse me. It was pretty cool, pretty nice one. Again, it was linen. All this was linen, and the knife was given to me by Rich over at Saltzman's, guys. Saltzmans'Jewlery, which is based out of Rhode Island. I will leave a link to their website down below. As you know, I have done he sent in a couple of Victorinox before. He sent in the Airboss, if you want to go down back in my archives and look at that review, and he sent in the Enox, both pretty cool pieces. They also sent this in, the Swiss Army knife. They are kind enough to give my viewers I believe it's 25% off code. And I'll have to relook at the email, and I'll write it down there in the description, guys, or in the comments below what discount code you guys can use. I do believe it's 25% off and nice, and I do also believe their watches, guys. So that was really kind of rich to lend my viewers and subscribers a discount, which is a pretty good discount, guys. The first one I will do is the Victorinox. This is the Maverick model. I've always been kind of interested in checking these out. This is the Quartz Maverick model. I do believe they do also have an automatic version. This is a pretty cool looking watch overall for right under $500, and with that discount you can get it pretty decent price, guys. First impressions, it's a really clean look, polished. Overall, nice looking little diver. Of course, this is the Quartz version. Again, like I said, I do believe they come with an automatic version as well. You can go on their website and see the full lineup, guys. And Victorinox is one of those brands, as I mentioned in the other two videos, that I feel like there's not enough out there about it. This is one of those brands that's kind of under the radar for a lot of collectors, as well as a lot of YouTubers don't really cover the brand. So it's pretty cool to be able to cover this brand and, like I said, continue to build a relationship with Saltzman's. Show you guys all kind of different watches, different brands you may or may not have seen before or want to see. So it's definitely pretty cool, guys. Like I said, overall, definitely pretty impressed with this one. First impressions. Of course, I did kind of cheat on the unboxing, and I did unboxing yesterday before I went to work. And then, of course, this is the famous Breitling. Little box they come in. Now, this one I really do like, guys. As you know, I am a big Breitling fan. This is one of their Aviator watches, guys. This is a discontinued model. And again, he did take it off their site, but they will be available for sale as soon as I get done with the review. He was kind enough to lend this in, guys. First impressions, this is really clean, especially for a Breitling. It's not really polished. Not really highly polished. It's really clean overall design, really legible dial. Like I said, overall first impressions, I'm really impressed by this. And I'll have to do a little bit more research on this, guys. I had somebody in the Discord group. If you're in the Random Rob's Discord group, you'll know I'm in there, and I post up a sneak peek picture of this one. So some of you guys got to see this already. And again, like I said, this is pretty cool. Even though it is a discontinued model, is still available from Saltzman's. They will sell it. Again, I get no kickback from selling their watches. They're just kind enough to lend them in. They didn't give me that knife, though, so just full disclosure there, guys. And again, you may or may not be able to get a decent discount on this Breitling. Just let them know that the Chris, the Watch Lounge, sent you guys. I'll leave a link to their email and a way to get a hold of him down below. Look for a full review of both of these guys coming up pretty soon. Like I said, it's pretty cool to be able to start building a little more relationships and get to show you guys some watches that you haven't seen. And the first time I'm seeing them with you guys. So, pretty cool, guys. If you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, as I do come out with unboxings like this regularly. I also do come out with reviews, topic videos, a lot of live streams, guys. A good bit of content daily, so hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.